Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to sign up for a Power Platform with no cost or free. Let's get started. This is just a one slide. I will lay down what we are going to do. First, we'll go to this URL, then click on the button Start Free, then select one of the modules, Power Apps. That's what we are going to sign up in this session for free. You need to use your existing Microsoft student or business account. If you don't have one, you need to create that one. If you have any issues or troubles creating this, please let me know in comments. I can help you guys. That's it. The last step, I think Microsoft sometimes send an email. We can check the email or the page will be refreshed if everything is right. Let's jump to the sign up process. Okay, let's go to the website that's we listed. Okay, here there is a start free button. Click on this button. Here we can see the free trial is available for 4 modules. The first module is Power BI. This is used to create reports or dashboards. This is a Power Apps module. In this Power Apps module, user can create Canvas app or model-driven app. The third free account that we can do is a Power Automate. It's a Power Automate flow that user can create. And the fourth one is Power Pages. User can create Power Pages. They can sign up for one of these or all of these. But for this session, let's start with sign up for Power Apps. Already my email ID is there. Just click on it and click Start Free. Hope this will automatically refreshes it and takes us to that environment. There you go. Here you can see we signed up for Power Apps environment. This is the free environment, trial environment that we signed up. Here the role is admin and the environment type is developer. I will quickly explain you what you are looking on the screen. Okay. Here on the left hand side, you can see the menu items. This you can create, you can learn. These are apps, existing apps. You can create tables, you can create flows, solutions. AI Hub is a way you can create AI Hub related things. And here there are a lot of other navigational aspects. We will discuss more in subsequent videos. But for this sign up free sign up, this is we are able to successfully sign up into this one, right? And here you can see we can create Power Apps in broadly 3 ways. One is start with data, means we can create first database table. From that we can create a Power App, or we can first design the screen. We can do that using Canvas apps, or we can start with a template. There are some existing templates that Microsoft provides. We can use one of the templates. So congratulations, you are able to successfully create the first Power Apps environment. If you have any questions or concerns when you are trying to create this environment, please put it in the comments. I will send you an email or we can quickly connect and we'll start from here. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.